We always have a jar of vegetable pickles in our fridge. They are on the table for almost every meal. These small pieces of vegetables goes well with meat dishes, such as caramelized pork, hot sauce ribs, or Bo Bun. Here are the ingredients for 1 liter jar. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Cut the carrots into thin slices. Put them in a mixing bowl. Peel the radish. Also cut it into thin slices. Put them with the carrots. Put the hot chilies. Now prepare the vinegar mixture. Put the salt, the sugar, the boiling water, combine until the sugar and the salt are dissolved. Add the white rice vinegar. Mix. Pour it on the vegetables. Mix. Put them in a jar. Close and leave a jar at room temperature for 1 night. Then keep it in the fridge for several weeks. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.